Okay, guys, I have a PSA for you, and it has to do with massage guns and your neck.
If used improperly, a massage gun could even lead to a stroke. She can't be serious. This is a viral video of a woman that explains why you should never use massage guns on your neck. So let's talk about it. Massage guns like this can be incredibly helpful to help release trigger points and muscle tension, and trust me, I love mine. So let me explain how we can safely use massage guns on the neck. As a general rule of thumb, never use a massage gun on the anterior part of your neck. So if you draw a line straight down from your ear, never place a gun on this part of your neck. And why is that? There are many veins and arteries that travel in the front of our neck that supply our brain. And if you apply a massage gun on those vessels, it can cause dissection or injury to those vessels that can lead to a stroke. There are not any muscles on the front part of our neck anterior to the sternocleidomastoid, or this muscle, that's going to get benefit from massage. When you have tension in the muscles of your neck, it's always going to be these posterior neck muscles. This includes the trapezius and various other smaller muscles that help support the spine. Applying the gun directly on these muscles is generally pretty safe, and you want to use the opposite arm, because if you use the same arm, you're actually tensing up those muscles that you're trying to massage, and you're not going to accomplish much. It's probably safest when using a gun on the back part of your neck to use a low setting and use the gun at a 90-degree angle so you don't apply direct pressure onto the neck. Really not great benefit of going directly in the midline of your spine, because that's where your bones sit, and massaging the bones isn't going to give you much benefit. Really need to focus on massaging the meat of the muscle. So to summarize my tips, never massage anterior to the ear, and if you are massaging the back part of your neck, use a light setting with less pressure as possible, ideally using the gun at 90 degrees with your skin. The shoulders for the most part are fair game, and use your opposite arm to get the most benefit, and never go directly on the middle part of your spine, because massaging the bone isn't going to help. Hopefully you guys learned something.